Hey guys, we're back to my videos. We're gonna be playing some mini hockey again. Woohoo! So, Lauren, come on, let's go. Here's the music while you wait. We're back. Except for we're in the office. As you've seen in almost every single one of my videos. Lauren! Come on! I thought you wanted to play! Well, Sword isn't playing right now, guys. Well, we're just going to do a little fun stuff. Okay. Let's try to do some trick shots. Probably going to fail epically. Like I said, I failed epically. So, don't blame me. Oh, I have an even better idea. I have to do it with this tiny stick.
Tiny stick.
Dad. We should go for ice cream. Oh, not bad. How does my brother even shoot with this? I could probably snap this in half.
Don't try.
Oh, here you go. We're making a video.
No.
Here's my brother, Lauren.
I can't be in any more videos.
What?
I can't be in any more videos.
Why not?
I demand a contract extension.
Oh. Okay, let's see.
You've talked to my agent.
What?
I want a contract you working.
Can I be your agent?
Toronto Maple Leafs versus Lightning. Let's go. It starts. Toronto Maple Leafs.
Does anyone know who the younger sister of country singer Loretta Lynn is?
Loretta Lynn Jr.
Is that Patty Loveless or Crystal Gale?
What?
Lord, we're playing a game.
Crystal Gale, I got it wrong.
Guys, this is gonna go extra. This is gonna go a little longer than that videos. Lightning's turn. Lightning has the ball now.
Touchdown.
Backhands it and one goes wide. Slap shot. What a save. Toronto Maple Leafs turn now. What's the matter with his shoe?
I can do.
Toronto Maple Leafs turns. What a save. Backhands it. Goes wide.
Spin move. Dangle.
Guys.
Rebound.
Did that go?
Oh my god.
Okay, Lightning has
My goal is to not score the whole time.
Lightning has it.
Who is Lewis' 16th wife?
What a save.
Yeah.
You playing trivia, crack?
Yeah. That's what I answered.
Lightning scores!
Yeah.
1-0.
That's what I
Lightning
thought. I
in
thought
the
it
lead,
was
baby!
Gary, but you were right.
I just picked up a name.
Toronto Maple Leafs has a chance to tie it up. After I fix my hair.
Fix your life.
That's what they should say on TV. After I fix my hair.
Yeah.
Backhand it goes wide.
A little bit. I should have picked up that one.
What a save. Baseball now. Shoots. Scores! Toronto Maple Leafs tie it up.
Woohoo!
We'll be right back after this commercial break. Have you ever had Okay, we're back. Hold on. What a save by the goalkeeper! Goalie. What a save! Oh, he fails to get it out of the zone. Lightning saves it. Right goalie. Who's the goalie for the Lightning?
Bishop.
Oh, yeah. Bishop. In net. Oh, what a save by Ben Bishop.
Oh.
Toronto Maple Leafs. I played NHL and I played played against Lightning before, and it was Ben Bishop. But I just forgot him. I didn't know his first, but I knew his last. Lightning has it now. That shot goes wide. No. Shoots. Oh, hits the side of the net. What a save! What a save! Stop trying. Oh, what a sick save!
What a 60.
Backhand it hits the crossbar. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. Low battery. Sorry about that. Just low battery. So yeah.
I'm trying to stop on the goal line now. Oh, you got back.
Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, Lightning! What a shot by the Toronto Lightning. Here's it. Ben Bishop in net coming down. Ben Bishop shoots. What a save by Bishop. Stop shot. Shoots. Scores. Hey.
Oh,
Okay, guys. The Lightning won.
yeah.
No, Toronto won 3-2. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.